Hi, everybody. I got the question, how do you choose categories for your Pinterest board, which is a great question. And I thought that I would help you guys by showing you a little how you do that. So first, you're going to come up here at the top where it says pinterest.com/categories. And these are all the categories that you can choose, except obviously not popular. You can't choose that for your board, or I'd be choosing that for every one of them. But everything is the same as other. And keep in mind that when you're on your cell phone versus your laptop, and you're choosing a category, on your iPhone, it'll say topics, where on the laptop or a desktop, it'll say categories. So topic and categories are the same thing. I'm not sure why they do that, but they do. And then if you are, wondering what you should choose for different things, for different categories, for different boards that you have, and you have a question on it, you can click on it to see what type of pins are on there. So if I were to click on education as an example, and sometimes I'll choose education for like coaching, how-to stuff, but it's really, really geared toward education, like college and grammar school and high school and that kind of thing. But sometimes I'll pick it just because nothing's perfect and people will find you like anyway. But ideally, or probably the most appropriate category for that would probably be everything, which again, when you're choosing a category in Pinterest, it would be other. So if you choose that, if you click on everything, which again is other, then you would find all the different things that are on here. And a category helps Pinterest to know between the pin and the title and everything else that you have named, what that pin's going to show. So for me, as a wedding photographer, I of course use weddings, and that works perfectly. But for business coaching and things like that, I do choose other because it's most appropriate, because the education category is really for like education, college, high school, grammar school, that kind of thing. So this is other. As you can see, there's just a ton of stuff on here that's under other. If you have any further questions about this, definitely let me know. I'm happy to help. Have a great day.